Can leaves clog my outdoor unit? Yes, leaves can clog your outdoor unit and block airflow, which can make your system work harder and run less efficiently. Your outdoor unit needs air moving through it so it can release heat, and leaves can pile up around the sides, top, and inside the metal fins. When that happens, the unit cannot breathe the way it should, and the parts inside may get hotter than normal. That extra strain can raise your energy use and may even shorten the life of the system. Wet leaves are even worse because they stick together and can form a thick mat that traps dirt, grass, and other debris. A lot of people do not know that leaves can also hide small problems, like bent fins or a loose wire, so the clog can stop you from noticing damage early. The best habit is to keep at least 2 feet of clear space around the unit and check it after windy days, storms, and fall leaf drop. You can gently remove dry debris by hand or with a soft brush, but you should be careful not to bend the delicate metal fins. If the unit looks packed with debris or seems to be running too hot, it is smart to shut it off and have it checked. One common mistake is piling mulch, bags, or plants right next to the unit, because that makes it easier for leaves to collect and block the airflow. A simple fix is to leave open space around it and trim nearby bushes and branches. Another mistake is using a hose with too much pressure, since that can bend the fins and make the airflow problem worse. A gentler rinse from a safe distance is usually better, and if the dirt is heavy, a technician can clean it the right way. People also sometimes ignore fallen leaves because the unit still turns on, but that does not mean it is working well, so watch for weak cooling, louder noise, or longer run times. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.